Hey there, welcome back to SelfBi. A data definition is the container where you can find the specific data you have chosen to analyze. You can even load the data from the clipboard or notes. How? We're going to see it in this tutorial. I'm creating a new analysis with a title and a description. Now SelfBi asks me to load or connect the data. To load data from a clipboard or notes is very easy. I copy my data, click on this box and paste it right here. And in a heartbeat, here comes a window with the results. I've selected the data to fill my data definition. With SelfBi, by clicking on Edit Data Selection, I can modify what I see to suit best my needs, or to format the data to better interpret my analysis. The magic is possible here in the Refine Data panel. Now I'm done with refining. I just need to close the window and then I start to edit my analysis. Couldn't be easier. Try it by yourself. It's your turn, and remember that your feedback will make SelfBi even more self-service. So if you have any comment or questions, please contact us.